You put this water, right now it's at 209 Fahrenheit, right there. So if you want to brew your coffee manually, you just want to control it yourself, you can just simply twist this and the hot water will come out, okay? And then the brewing will be counted how many seconds and also how many grams you are doing of coffee. Now I'm going to show you how the dual boiler works.
So clearly I'm not the best at it, but I will continue to practice because this is a craft that takes some time and patience, and overall you just gotta practice so you can just make it better. So the workflow overall is very clean and intuitive. The beans are ground precisely, extraction is stable, producing a visible crema. The milk steaming delivers fine, silky microfoam, suitable for latte art that I will continue to practice. And the entire bean to cup process, I think, is very complete in under 5 minutes, making it a very practical daily use without sacrificing quality. So I think Meraki stands out by treating espresso as a system and not a collection of features, and by combining a co-engineered grinder, a rotary pump stability, a dual boiler precision, and it brings a commercial level consistency into a home-friendly form factor. And the result is espresso that's more predictable, repeatable, and reliable cup after cup. So if you're ready to upgrade your home coffee experience with something that is professional level performance and long-term consistency, I think the Meraki Espresso machine delivers a thoughtful and well-engineered solution for your everyday coffee. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the Meraki Espresso machine.